Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this platinum white Honda Civic EX. Now of course it does have the upgraded Civic alloys, which of course are a diamond cut face. You've then got full you've got LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors, and again, just coming into these now, you'll notice that they are an 18-inch as opposed to the standard 17s. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition of the alloys. It is on a 68 reg. You get rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see just there. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with this level just here. You've then got your pull-out privacy shelf as well. Then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside the car, we then have your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your stop start off, damper settings, economy mode as well. You've got 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control with 2 front heated seats as well. You've then got your touchscreen display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. We've then also got your Bluetooth hands-free. And then of course, we also have your various audio sources as well, which you can see just here. You've got a full glass opening sunroof as well, which if you want the sunroof open but the visor closed, you can certainly do that, or you can just have it completely closed at all times. You've then on the steering wheel got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment display and the onboard computer. We've got your adaptive cruise control settings on the right hand side with your distance control and lane keep assist. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Civic has only done 35,528 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic EX, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.